This is homemade croutons. After you make them, you season them to your own taste. They go pretty good with salads, soup, snacks. You can make them spicy, cheesy tasting, and so on. And this is my new idea for making homemade croutons. These same gadgets makes your potato chips, carrot chips, sweet potato, cabbage slices. Oh man. Now we are talking, cooking, being creative. Bye-bye. There goes my pot of croutons. When I put them in the oven at low temperature at 175, let them sit there until they're dry, nice, tasting good. I'm gonna put some seasonings with some ghee. Ooh, mamma mia. Now are we talking? This is my crouton chips snack. Season them with some cheese sprinkled on it, some spices, and you snack on that, and you'll be good for bread. French brochette will never look the same because you will dress it in a new fashion. Here goes Chef Patrick Muindi from the creation table. Use a table or cutting knife or cutting board, whatever. Enjoy. Well, there is a look of your seasoned croutons with the soy sauce, vinegar, mustard, and some ghee, little chicken bouillon, and just let it sit in the low heat oven. If you have an air oven, even better. When it's done, pack it, seal it. You have yourself some wonderful good croutons for soup, snack, just having fun. If you don't know, you forgot how to count, enough croutons for you to count to up to 100. Then after you've seasoned your croutons, I'm using a Philip air fryer set at around 250 for about 20 minutes. I will be putting the croutons in batches for it to be dried into crispy croutons that sell for about $100 for 6 ounces because they're handmade from Chef Patrick Muindi. Enjoy. Well. Here is your healthy looking, tasting snack. Crouton chips and croutons for salad, for snacking. And when you're done, just to prove that you are a healthy-minded individual, permission to enjoy a banana to go along with my special homemade crouton, seasoned with vinegar, mustard, hot mustard, soy sauce, some ghee, some ketchup, some virgin olive oil, and chicken bouillon, dried in air fryer Phillips. You dry them small batches, might take 15 minutes. Bigger batches, you dry until they're dry, completely tasting crunchy. When you sing, that's the best choir will sing in your mouth. Enjoy. Chef Patrick says, let's be creative. Tammy's to be ready. Enjoy. soon. Patrick Muindi signing off.